So guys, just click on press the enter. After that you can see this screen. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option, then cmd command from. Okay, then and type boot rec space slash fixmbr and then hit enter. This all command I will give you in description. Next, boot rec space slash fix boot, then again hit enter. No worry about it if this is access deny. Then next, boot rec space scan os. Then next again boot rec space slash rebuild bcd, and please wait few seconds. After that you can see operation is successfully has completed. Then next again boot sect space slash nt60 sys, nt60 space sys, and then hit enter. Then next again boot rec space slash fixboot, hit. Then next command chkdsk space c column slash f slash r, and then hit enter. It will take some time, so wait few seconds. Now this is second step. After that close. This is completed. Then again click on troubleshoot, advance, and this is restore point. Just click on it. Then next, so you can see this is last restore. Just select and next, and then finish, then click on yes. After that you have to also waste some times to restore, and after that system will be restart after restoring. Now you can see restore successfully completed. Just click on restart. Now you can see your system is started. After that, just click on close. Now this is your system. Thank you.